The wait is finally over. The automotive world holds its breath as Matt Armstrong attempts something Bugatti claimed could only be done in 2 places on Earth.
And if you want to repair that properly, you can't just do that in a garage. Car needs to be split in half.
The impossible rebuild has begun. Like, share, and subscribe, because Matt just challenged Bugatti in the most dramatic way imaginable, and what he achieved changes everything about this project. Matey Rimac was very clear in his response video about why Matt couldn't split the Bugatti Chiron in half. In a Chiron, there are countless electrical wires, oil lines, coolant pipes, and fuel connections running from the monocoque to the rear structure. Separating the car means disconnecting all of it, and according to Bugatti, that simply can't be done in a normal garage. Only a few facilities worldwide have the proper equipment, and only specially trained technicians are qualified to do it. That was Bugatti's official position. Matt's response was simple. If it's built by a man, it can be repaired by a man.
Today, we're about to attempt what Bugatti think is impossible.
No factory tools, no special training, just Matt, his dad Tony, and a cameraman working inside a standard garage at Black Horse Performance. Bugatti refused support based on the belief that independent workshops lack the capability to dismantle a Chiron properly. But if Matt succeeds, that entire argument falls apart. Tony never doubted it.
Tony, do you think it's fixable?
Of course I do. And we're going to do it now. We're going to be the 3rd, what is it, manufacturer to be able to take this car apart. Whatever a man's took apart, another man can take apart.
Without manuals or factory documentation, Matt's first challenge was figuring out where to begin. The only option was to start removing bolts and let the design reveal itself. Side skirts came off first. Trim pieces were unclipped. Hidden fasteners appeared underneath each removed panel. With every layer removed, more of the structure became visible. Unlike traditional cars with welded panels, the Chiron's rear quarter sections are bolted on. Working from inside the cabin, Matt accessed and removed the fasteners. Eventually, the entire carbon fiber quarter lifted away as a single massive piece. Carefully, they carried it aside. With both rear quarters removed, the separation line between the front monocoque and rear subframe became visible. The rear bumper assembly came off next, diffuser and lights included. Built entirely from structural carbon fiber, the diffuser demonstrated incredible strength. The engine cover was secured with just 2 bolts. The rear wing required only a handful more. Everything came apart logically, step by step. Soon, Matt exposed the true structural connection. Just 14 titanium bolts held the rear assembly and its 1,600 horsepower engine to the passenger compartment. 14 bolts. That was it. Some were immediately visible. Others were hidden behind carbon fiber airboxes. Once those were removed, the remaining bolts appeared. Each connection between front and rear had to be carefully disconnected first. Wiring harnesses, coolant lines, and fuel systems were separated methodically. This was the moment Bugatti said would stop everything. But instead of chaos, the design revealed clarity. Systems were organized. Connections were intentional. Nothing resisted disassembly. One by one, each titanium bolt was removed. Slowly, the rear subframe separated. No special factory equipment. No secret tools. Just patience and careful work. The gearbox became accessible. The engine stood fully exposed. Carbon fiber structures lifted away cleanly. Everything was engineered to be serviced. Bugatti's claims of impossibility began to collapse. The rebuild revealed the truth. The car was never untouchable. It was simply controlled. Damage was present, but contained exactly as designed. Structural elements absorbed the impact. Critical systems remained intact. This wasn't magic, it was engineering. What Bugatti claimed required exclusive facilities was achieved in a normal garage. The myth of exclusivity was gone. This wasn't about permission, it was about understanding. The impossible was never impossible. And now, the rebuild continues.